set, Terrarium Jewelry. There is an instruction paper, and it has pictures, and it's like easy steps for you to follow. Here is what they contain. Bottles. What is that on my finger? I don't know. I think that could be glue from something else. So bottles, these little charms, beads, more charms, 3 colors of flowers, 3 colors of thread, and there's even a different material used for the grass. There are also some beads and some green and white beads, sand, and this grass. There's also this, which is also included. And I think this is, yeah, let me try to read the box to see what it's called. It is, let's see, a funnel. It's a funnel. Okay, I just remembered. And we got these small flowers from Hobby Lobby. Here it is. And we used them in this video right here. DIY Hello Kitty bag and unicorn for a unicorn. And I added small flowers to it. They're like yellow and pink. So pretty. They're some of the most favorite colors I love. And let's just get started. We also have we already did this, and so you can look here. There's like 3 beads, and there's also a cap. You have to put the cap on, but not the bottle. And then the first step here says you take the bottle. So here's our bottle. And then we already put the lid on here, so I guess we don't need that. The picture has a bottle and the lid. The second step says that you have to put the funnel in. Is that it? You have to put the funnel in. Let's read it. Yeah, you put the funnel in. Add a color of sand. I'm going to choose this blue one here. So let's just, it's like a big bubble. It's like it has some air inside. So you just cut not much so that you don't make a big mess. And then my mom's holding it for me over there so that I don't spill it. Try to put the sand in. It's not going out very well. Maybe let's just cut a little bit more big. I think that's enough. So it will come out easier. Try to get it out. Let's get all of it out. Now that we've done that, you put it on this. It also contains like this for the next Make It Real set. But other things at the box, on the back of the box, it says there's like beads everywhere, like different colors and stuff. I know there is beads here, but it's not the same as the box. This is just from the next one. I don't know which one it is, but we might unbox it. And I also got this at Hobby Lobby. The third step, or the fourth step, is that you pour in your grass and you get to prepare your charms. So we have blue, it's over here, I'm not showing it to you yet. Here's the blue, pink, purple, and white and green. But first we have to put the grass in. Let's just open this up. And let's just try to find, oh, no, I think you just pour it in carefully. My mom will try to hold it for me just so that I don't mess up. And always have parents' permission before crafting. Uh-oh, we made a mess. I think we even made a mistake. I'm just gonna pour it out over there, and then out of this video we will pour that in after we craft. So the fifth step is just choose your choice of these beads. So I will just choose maybe some purple beads and these. So you're going to take the funnel, and then you're just going to take these tweezers. First, you open it. You're going to add in this one first. So open it. I'm opening it out of the camera because it's going to be hard. But my mom's going to help me open it out of the camera too. Here they are. She just helped me, and let's try to pour them in. I'm going to see what the amount is. Okay, see the amount? I think it's like that much. Like you pour in half of it, and then you close the lid. Next, you are going to take these green ones and open it. We open this. It's easy to open it. Easier to open. I'm not going to open much. Just hang on. Alright, I'm just going to close it up again. And then just like try to put them in because it's like having trouble getting put in. I think I see a problem. Something's blocking it. Now we did it. Did it finally. Success. And then you're going to take the green thread. I already have it prepared right here, but I'm going to show you guys how to do it. First, you're just going to make a knot like this. Just try to put all of it in so that we have lots of grass. Guys, I made a mistake, so we're going to try this again because I didn't get all the grass in. Well, it's going to be used for grass. It's not already grass. So you just tie a knot here, and then you just cut it. Next, you're just with your fingers, you're going to peel it off, like separate them. This is really fun to make. I really love it. And then you're just, okay, I made a mistake again. But guys, let's just start. You guys, it's like let's just read the instructions. You guys can read the instructions since I can't do it properly. So you make a loop, and then you cut it, and then you cut it like that, and then you're done. Next, you're just going to place one in. Let's try to put this. You're going to place one in with the tweezers carefully. And then on the next step for the page, on the page, is it 18? Oh, so guys, you just put the flower in, and we already did this step. We will show it to you after we put the flower in. So I'm just going to put that away real quick and stuff a flower in. Let's try to put it in the tweezers, which may be hard. It could be. So my mom will do it for me. I will hold the flower, and then she's going to put it, and I'm also going to hold the bottle whenever she does it. Just stuff the flower in. It's kind of hard and difficult, but I think you guys could get it. I really do. There we go. And next, let's just put this away for a second. And then I'm going to show you guys how to do the necklace. Just do the size of your neck. It's upside down, sorry guys. So just read number 13, and then you can do it. Pause the video for a little bit while you do it, and then you can continue. After you unpause, you'll see number 14, pause. Number 15, pause. And number 16, pause. And number 17. And then on the back, it just says you trim off the excess. I don't think we've done that yet. No, I haven't done that yet. So I'm just going to cut it like that. But the other side did it. I already did it. And then you're just going to take a charm, some mini charms. Let's just choose the bunny because the bunny is already out here. So first you're going to put this on your bottle. Put a cap. And before we do the finishing touch, I really want you guys to click up the corner there, which will be the bracelet set. I think it's called Color Changing Candy. Yeah, it was Color Changing Candy. So I really want you guys to like that and comment hashtag make it real sets whenever you are done. And it will pop up right somewhere in this video. The hashtag, so you can hashtag it on that video. And then you're going to take your charm and then you're going to put it on, and now it's finally complete. But guys, don't leave yet. We have, just in case if you haven't watched the end of my videos, you always know you could, there's like an ending intro, so, but first you guys have got to look at this cute creation. So cute. Let's turn it around as everything moves in the bottle. So it looks so beautiful. And the ending intro, guys, I really don't want you to skip because I want you guys to know it. And comment hashtag, even if you don't do anything, I would still want you guys to comment hashtag purple on any videos, which will pop up somewhere in this video. Okay, ending intro. Be sure to tap on the circle for more, and then they can inspire you to be creative. And also subscribe. You can subscribe from there. And it's even easier to do it on the computer. And ending intro. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell. Like and comment down below. Bye!